Santa Fe Ward proudly presents Ronalyn's Time Travel Adventure. This is an exciting and adventurous story that revolves around a woman named Ronalyn. Ronalyn stumbles upon a mysterious time traveling device that allows her to journey back in time and meet her ancestors from different eras. As Ronalyn embarks on her time traveling adventure, she encounters various generations of her family, each with their own unique stories and challenges. She meets her great-great-grandparents, who were pioneers in the early days of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, and witnesses their unwavering faith and determination as they faced hardships and persecution. Ronalyn travels to the 1920s, where she meets her grandparents during the period at the end of the First World War. It is also known as the Jazz Age. She experiences the vibrant culture of the time, including flapper fashion, swing dancing, and the excitement of the roaring 20s. Through her interactions with her grandparents, Ronalyn learns about their love story and the values they hold dear.
Oo, di na iya apo sa una nga mo. Isip ko sa amo nga sa imo nga tatay sa una. Yes, mga lola! Grabe ka mga gwapa sa inyo! Kabalo na kabali kung di ko nagsunod. Oh my God! I'm so happy na may kang mo! Oh, yes, mga lola. Ang tanan ko na balaan, nagbabagyan sa inyo, hindi ko gina siya pagkalipatan. Tanan ina, isulat ko gina siya, kag i-share ko man sa ako mga future ng mga kabataan.
Ano apo, ikaw ang amon nga tugyanan, agod nga ipabalo mo man sa mga madasol pa nga henerasyon.
Apo, ang mahambal ko lang sa imo. Kung ikaw ba, di ka pamana sa kapam, hindi kami pangalimitan, Apo, ha? Oh my gosh, mark my words, tandaan ko muna, apam, nag-get okay, tandaan ko muna siya, noted. Salamat Lola sa iyong mga oras, kapag na ako, bye! Bye, Apo!
In another era, Ronalyn travels to the 1960s. It is known as the Golden Age in the Philippine history. The Beatles were, of course, big during the 60s. There were other rock and roll stars like Elvis Presley, Jerry Vale, Buddy Holly, Chuck Berry, but the Beatles were the most popular and most successful musicians of that era. They headlined the so-called swinging 60s. She also witnesses their dedication to equality and justice as they actively participate in protests and fight for social change. Through this encounter, Ronalyn gains a deeper understanding of her family's commitment to making a positive impact on the world. Throughout her time-traveling journey, Ronalyn learns valuable lessons about resilience, faith, and the power of family bonds. She realizes that her ancestor stories are not just distant tales, but living legacies that have shaped her own identity and values. As the story unfolds, Ronalyn returns to the present day, carrying with her a newfound appreciation for her family's history and a stronger connection to her roots. She shares her experiences with her own family and encourages them to embrace their heritage and the lessons learned from their ancestors. Ronald's Time Travel Adventure is a captivating and uplifting story that showcases the importance of understanding and preserving family history. It highlights the values and experiences of the Latter-day Saints Church throughout different eras, emphasizing the enduring power of faith, love, and resilience across generations.
Mga pamilya, kabalo-bala ka mo? Nagdampo ako, kung nakakadto ako sa lain-lain ng mga henerasyon. Nakita ko nga itong mga kaluluhan, kalulahan. Grabe ang ilang mga imahe. Grabe ang ilang pagpursige. Ang ilang pagsakripisyo para sa aton nga panahong subong. So, gusto ko inangan, ihambal sa inyong akong mga naagyan. Madamo ako sa natunan sa ila. So, nakita nyo? Kanamig isang ilang kooperasyon sa kada isa kag isa. So gusto ko inang ay pagpadayon naton sa aton nga pamilya biskan subong nga panahon. So ang aton nga himuon kung ali kita subong sa makabago nga panahon, kinahanglan naton ini siya mabuligan naton nga mapadayon ang ilang nga istorya. So himuon naton nga ibutang naton siya sa indexing. So mabuligay kita para mapanatili naton kag mapadayon naton ang ilang nga mga kasaysayan. Okay? Aja? Yes, got it.
Now, millions of people can easily find their ancestors. Thanks to the efforts of people just like Ronnie. That is a great news, and guess what? The digital images are stacking up faster than the current indexers can handle. So we need more help now. We need your help and help your friends. The monumental task of making the world's historic records searchable online will be accomplished. Will you make a difference? Well, you can. Be an online volunteer like Ronnie.
We will make a difference.